Hi, AFramers. Today we are going to introduce the different AFrame templates and show how they work in the transactions. Because most of what you do is repetitive, setting up templates correctly can save you a tremendous amount of time, as well as provide a consistent and professional experience for your clients. Before we dive in, I want to emphasize that you do not have to have all your templates completely set up to start using AFrame. In fact, I would argue that it's best to enter a few transactions first, without any templates, to see how tasks, dates, and attachments interact with each other, and also to figure out what email templates you really need. New users tend to think they have to get everything set up perfectly first, only to discover that after using AFrame for a bit, they need to make significant changes to their setup. So if you are new or feel overwhelmed, take a deep breath, start small, and build from there. I will point out that each AFrame account is preloaded with a generous set of generic templates to help you get started quickly. Many use these as a starting point and modify them as necessary. However, you can always create your own templates from scratch. Let's start by going to the Templates area under the Admin settings. This area allows you to create and/or customize existing templates for your account. There are 5 main template types: attachment, transaction date, task, email, letter templates, and field definitions. In other videos, we go into great detail about how to set up templates, but at a high level, attachment templates allow you to create document placeholder lists for each transaction. This enables you to easily track which documents you already have and which ones you still need. Transaction date templates allow you to easily add and enter transaction dates that match your transaction workflow. Most often, you'll create these templates to match the real estate contract in your market, but you can also add other dates that you want to track. Task templates allow you to create action plans or task lists to be checked off during a transaction. Email letter templates are where you can create emails or letters that can auto-insert contact or transaction data using merge field codes. And field definition templates enable you to create and modify customized fields within the information sidebar of your transactions. Now let's go over the different areas you will use templates and how they connect, as we have in-depth videos for each template type. Right now, I am on the Transaction Detail screen, and you'll notice the Tasks, Attachments, and Dates tabs. These are the 3 areas where you can apply various templates. Of course, you can use these tabs without using templates by adding entries individually, and you can add folders, etc. But templates make the process much faster. For each of these tabs, to apply a template, you just need to click the Use Template button, and you can select one or more templates to apply to each tab. On the Tasks tab, you can see we have many tasks that need to be completed. They are organized into folders, but we can easily switch the view to be in due date order. As you can see, some have email templates associated with them, and many use date formulas that auto-adjust their due dates based on a date in the transaction or another task's completion. In the Dates tab, you can see all the dates we are tracking for this transaction. You can see some have been set and others still need to be. And like tasks, a date entry can also use date formulas. For example, the earnest money date auto-adjusts to 3 days after the effective date, or contract start date. Additionally, each date entry has a custom merge field code associated with it. This code is unique and is defined by you. The merge field code can be referenced in an email template so that when creating an email, the date will be automatically applied in place of the related merge field code. This merge field code is also referenced when setting up any date formulas. Hopefully, you're starting to have a better understanding of how these 2 tabs work together. The Attachments tab is where you can upload files or enter web links for the transaction. Just like the other tabs, you don't have to use a template. However, using a template allows us to easily set up folders with placeholders, so we know what files we have and what files we still need. This will also be helpful if you create an email template to auto-attach a file that will be uploaded into one of these placeholders in the transaction, such as the executed contract. As you see with the orange and blue indications, the orange means the file placeholder is empty and still needed. All the attachments don't have to be predefined in the template, as you can drag over or upload additional files at any time. If you find you don't need a particular entry, you can always omit or delete the placeholder. Additionally, the collapsible information sidebar area holds your transaction information, contract information, and any other custom field collections you create to be at your fingertips at any time. Much like the dates, each field entry and group has a custom merge field code associated with it. The merge field code can be referenced in an email template so that when creating an email, it will pull that individual field's information or a group of fields. So you can think of templates as more of a guide because AFrame provides full flexibility after you apply the template to any transaction. Now that you have a basic understanding of where and how templates are applied, continue with our individual template videos that go over how to create and customize the templates. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you need help, please contact us at support@aframesoftware.com or directly in AFrame under your help icon.